In this video, we will introduce the prep for NSE7_SSE_AD25 FortiSASE 25 Enterprise Administrator Exam. Overview of NSE7 FortiSASE 25 Enterprise Administrator. Key details of the NSE7_SSE_AD25 exam. NSE7_SSE_AD25 exam domains. Best tips to prepare for the Fortinet NSE7_SSE_AD25 exam. 1. What benefit does FortiSASE's Secure Internet Access (SIA) offer for compliance with security policies? A. Automated updates of all network devices. B. Centralized management of user sessions. C. Consistent enforcement of security policies across all users. D. Increased network speed for remote users. 2. Which FortiOS command is used to view the log settings configured in FortiSASE? A. Get system log settings. B. Get log settings. C. Diagnose debug log. D. Config log settings view. 3. What aspects should be considered when configuring logging settings in FortiSASE? Choose 3. A. Log rotation frequency. B. Error and event logs. C. Debug level logs for everyday operations. D. Privacy settings for sensitive information. 4. Which FortiOS command is used to verify the health of Zero Trust Network Access (ZTNA) policies in FortiSASE? A. Diagnose ZTNA status. B. Get system ZTNA status. C. Diagnose debug application ZTNA. D. Get ZTNA policy status. 5. For FortiSASE point of presence (POP) to connect as a spoke, which Fortinet solution is required as standalone IPsec VPN hub? A. Zero Trust Network Access (ZTNA). B. Next Generation Firewall (NGFW). C. SD-WAN. D. Secure Web Gateway (SWG). 6. Which 3 ways does FortiSASE provide secure private access (SPA) to corporate, non-web applications? Choose 3. A. Using SD-WAN technology. B. Using Secure Web Gateway (SWG). C. Using Zero Trust Network Access (ZTNA) technology. D. Using Digital Experience Monitoring. E. Using Next Generation Firewall (NGFW). 7. Which dedicated IP address use case allows application of SNAT to specific incoming remote users based on user, group, or country? A. Identification and isolation. B. Source IP anchoring. C. Central SNAT policy. D. Geolocation rules. 8. FortiSASE delivers a converged networking and security solution. Which two features help with integrating FortiSASE into an existing network? Choose 2. A. SD-WAN. B. Remote Browser Isolation, RBI. C. Security, Orchestration, Automation, and Response, SOAR. D. Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA. 9. When using Secure Private Access, SPA, and SD-WAN, which protocol is used for spoke-to-spoke connectivity? A. IPsec. B. eBGP. C. SSL. D. GRE. 10. Which VDOM type needs to be configured on the FortiGate Secure Edge to establish a Layer 2 network between itself and FortiSASE? A. Transparent. B. Traffic. C. Admin. D. LAN extension. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.